want to go inside? Jack's. I ain't got a clue. We should just make a dash to Central Park. Much better angle. Let's take a look. Dude. Oh my God, it's a British song. Yep. Pardon?
Of course it is, tickling.
Yeah, want to go in? Yeah, this ain't a big one. I need to take you one on 5th Avenue. But I think I need longs for that. Nothing that interesting. Let's sit back. I do love the stuffy stick sometimes. That's all right. Did you finally get hit?
No, I'm slipping.
All right. Oh, good. What are the sheets made out of? Oil slicks.
Yeah. Don't normally slip.
Maybe you stepped into something.
So delightful. I think I got enough American.
Yeah. Yeah, we can clear our blocks. Banana Republic. Yeah, I can see Central Park. We need to go here. That's motor neural. It's not slippery. Oh, look at this. Atlas Shrugged.
Rockefeller Center.
Atlas, that's who it is.
Oh. Atlas, that's who it is. Yeah, want to stand in a queue for it? There you go. Yeah, it's the vendors. Look, there's one over there.
Alright, where are we
Sorry. Pardon?
There's steam.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Snow is getting kind of heavy. Look at that building. One of the theories that they use, that's a shop. Huh. But they used oil to heat the oil, to burn it. It'll produce such smell. Excuse me? What's what? Want to check it out? Want to go in?